Today we're going to learn how to multiply and divide numbers that are already written in scientific notation. So yesterday we learned how to write numbers in scientific notation. We're going to be combining that skill with this new skill. Let's say we have to multiply 3.03 times 10 to the 4 times 6.29 times 10 to the second. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply the coefficients. The coefficients are the 3.03 and the 6.29. If you plug those two numbers into your calculator and multiply them, you should get 19.1. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to add your exponents. Remember, your exponent is the 4 and the 2. When you add them together, you get 6. And last, you're going to put those two answers together. So you've got 19.1 times 10 to the 6th power. Now, is this proper scientific notation to have the 19 before the decimal point? The answer is no. So what we have to do is we have to move the decimal to the correct spot. Right now, you can see that the decimal is after the number 19. And we know that we can only have one non-zero number to the left of it. So we have to move the decimal one time. So we would have 1.91 times 10 to the. It's not 10 to the 6 anymore, though, because we just moved the decimal one time. So we're going to add a positive 1, because the original number, 19.1, is larger than 1. So we add a positive 1, so it's 6 plus 1. The new exponent is 7. So our new answer is 1.91 times 10 to the 7. Now we're going to learn how to divide numbers written in scientific notation. Again, we have steps to this. So let's look at this example. We've got 3.803 times 10 to the 3rd divided by 5.3 times 10 to the 6th. Our first step is we're going to divide the coefficients. Remember, the coefficients are the 3.803 and the 5.3. When we put them in the calculator, you're always going to put the 3.803, the number that's first in line, in the calculator first, and then divided by the second number in line, which is the 5.3. You have to go in this order. You can't switch them around or you're going to get the wrong number. So when you divide those, you're going to get 0.72. Try it in your calculator, make sure that's what you get. With the exponents, because we're dividing, we're reducing something. So for the exponents, we're going to subtract them. 3 minus 6, because the 3 is first, the 6 is second in line. So 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 is negative 3. So our exponent is going to be negative 3. Put the two answers together, and we get 0.72 times 10 to the negative 3. Is this in proper scientific notation? Look where the decimal is. Is there one non-zero number to the left of it? You should be answering no. This is not in proper scientific notation. What we have to do is actually move the decimal so that there's one non-zero number next to it. Okay? So when we move it, we're moving it one time to be between the 7 and the 2, so 7.2 times 10 to the, and because we moved the decimal, again, this isn't going to be our exponent. We have to add whatever that move was. We moved it one time. Original number was 0.72. That's smaller than 1, so it's going to be a negative 1. So negative 3 plus negative 1 equals negative 4. So our exponent is going to be negative 4. And our final answer is 7.2 times 10 to the negative 4.